There's a free AI tool right now available to anyone that can do the same job as a $3,000 a month freelancer. And in some cases, it's actually faster, cheaper, and more accurate. Want to know what it is? Let's break it down. AI is flipping the freelance economy upside down. Designers, writers, marketers, even coders, all being replaced by tools you can use for free. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI tool replacing $3,000 per month freelancers, what it can do, and how you can use it to save time, make money, or start a business. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you how complete beginners are using this tool to build full-time incomes. Section 1, the freelancer. It's replacing. Let's start with what you're actually replacing. Think about hiring a content writer, email copywriter, or script writer, someone to write your blog posts, sales emails, social media captions, YouTube video scripts that usually cost $2,500 to $3,000 a month easily. These freelancers write manually, revise, communicate, and deliver content slowly. But now there's something else. Section 2, the tool, ChatGPT, and why it's game-changing. The tool we're talking about, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Specifically, the free version is powerful enough for 90% of freelance-level writing tasks. You can ask it to write a 1,000-word blog post, create email marketing sequences, draft cold outreach messages, script out YouTube videos, even rewrite content in your voice or brand tone. But here's the magic. It does this in seconds, not days. And it never gets tired. You don't need to be a copywriter. You don't need grammar skills. You just need a prompt. Section 3, real-world example, before versus after. Let me show you the real-world power of this tool. Imagine you need a sales email to promote your digital product. What a freelancer would do. You wait 2 to 3 days, pay $200 plus, get a draft, ask for revisions, wait again. What ChatGPT does, you type this prompt. Write a persuasive sales email promoting a $39 productivity planner for busy professionals. Keep it under 200 words, boom, instant results. Revise on the spot, copy, paste, send. That's not a gimmick, that's productivity on demand. Section 4, who's using it and how? Income streams and plus opportunities. Voiceover. Now here's where it gets even better. People aren't just saving time with ChatGPT, they're using it to make money. Examples, freelancers using ChatGPT to 10x their output and secretly automate client work. Digital product sellers using it to write ebooks, guides, and lead magnets. YouTubers scripting videos without writers. Small business owners writing email campaigns in minutes. Job seekers writing resumes and cover letters with AI. One 19-year-old in Chicago used ChatGPT to write 50 product descriptions for an Etsy shop in 1 hour. That same task used to take her 3 days, and she now charges $150 per project. That's a real story, and it's happening all over. What most people miss. But here's what most people completely miss. ChatGPT is only as powerful as the prompts you give it. It's not magic, it's a tool. And if you know how to prompt it right, you can unlock results most people never reach. I'll share 3 pro prompts before the end, so keep watching. Section 5, how to use it, simple steps for beginners. Getting started with ChatGPT is stupid simple. Step 1, go to chat.openai.com. Step 2, create a free account. Step 3, type your prompt, like write a 5-step blog post about saving money as a student. Step 4, copy your content, revise if needed, and you're done. That's it. No downloads. No installations, just pure raw capability at your fingertips. Section 6, bonus, 3 prompts that replace a $3,000 freelancer. Ready for the gold? Here are 3 actual prompts that can replace tasks you'd normally pay big bucks for. Prompt number 1, blog post. Write a 1,000-word blog post for a productivity coach about how to beat procrastination. Include a call to action at the end. Prompt number 2, sales email. Write a persuasive email promoting a 50% off coaching program for busy moms who want to build online businesses. Prompt number 3, YouTube script. Write a 6-minute motivational video script in the style of Tony Robbins, encouraging people to focus on themselves instead of others. Try these out. You'll see exactly what I mean, and you'll understand why this tool is replacing expensive freelancers every single day. Listen, most people are watching AI from the sidelines, still stuck in the old way of doing business, still paying thousands for work that I can now handle in minutes. But not you. You've got the tool. You've got the vision. Now you just need to start using it. And if you want more videos breaking down free AI tools, passive income ideas, and online hustles, hit that subscribe button. Your next breakthrough could be just 1 tool away.